So I've got this big box which contains a Voltax 100 amp hour lithium-ion battery. So I thought I would go through and do the unboxing. The net weight of this battery is meant to be 9.9 kilos according to the box, and inside it's pretty well packed. So these come individually boxed and packed and whatnot, and in there under the foam we've got our battery pack. So we've got manual, a material safety data sheet, and then our battery itself. So if we whip that one out, that is it, and that's everything that's in the box as well. Basically, there's battery and the two cards, the data sheet and the manual. So these batteries are basically rated at a 50 amp max charge current, 50 amp standard discharge current with a max discharge current of up to 125 amps. You can connect up to 4 of them in series for 48 volts or in parallel. Now, everywhere that's online lists these as being unlimited parallel, but I will note that in the instructions here, it actually says under the connection tips that you should connect only 4 batteries for parallel as well. So limitation for parallel connection up to 4 identical batteries. I just thought that's worth noting because everywhere that lists these online says unlimited. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like it and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this from me.